Hello, excuse me. Can you tell me where the check-in counter is?
Sure, sir. Which airline are you flying with?
I'm flying with British Airways.
All right. The British Airways counters are straight ahead, then turn left. You'll see the big sign.
Thank you so much. This is my first time in this airport, so I wasn't sure.
No problem. Many people ask the same question. Don't worry, the signs are very clear.
Great. I'll follow the signs.
Have a safe flight.
At the check-in counter. Good morning. May I see your ticket and passport, please? Yes, here they are. Thank you. Do you have any luggage? Yes, just this one suitcase. Please place it on the scale. Sure. Your bag is 18 kilograms. That's fine. Did you pack the bag yourself? Yes, I did. Are you carrying any liquids or dangerous items inside? No, nothing like that. Perfect. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is number 15. Boarding starts at 4:30 p.m. Great. Could you please tell me how to get to the gate? Take the escalator upstairs, pass through security, and then follow the signs. Thank you so much. This is very helpful. You're welcome. Enjoy your flight. At security check.
Please put your bag, phone, and jacket in the tray.
Sure. Here they are.
Do you have any liquids or electronics?
I only have a laptop and a small bottle of water.
Please remove the laptop from the bag and throw the water bottle away. You cannot take it inside.
Oh, I see. Okay, here's the laptop. And I'll throw away the bottle.
Thank you. Now, please walk through the scanner.
All right. Psst.
Security beeps. Could you step aside for a quick check?
Of course.
Security checks. All good. You may collect your things.
Thanks. At immigration counter. Good afternoon. Passport, please. Here you go. Thank you. What is the purpose of your travel? I'm going for vacation. Vacation. That sounds good. How many days will you stay? About 10 days. Where will you stay during your trip? At a hotel in central London. All right. Do you have a return ticket? Yes, here it is. Perfect. Everything is fine. Enjoy your trip. Thank you very much. Waiting area or duty-free shop. Wow, the duty-free shops are so big. Hello, how much is this perfume?
This one? It's $50.
Do you have any discount?
Yes, if you buy two, you get 10% off.
Okay, I'll just take one for now.
Sure. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your shopping.
At the boarding gate. Attention, passengers. Flight AB123 to London is now boarding at gate 15. Excuse me? Is this the boarding line for London? Yes, ma'am. May I see your boarding pass and passport? Of course. Here they are. Thank you. Boarding Group B is now entering. You may go ahead. Great. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant flight. Entering the plane. Good afternoon. Welcome on board. May I see your seat number? Yes, it's 18A. 18A is a window seat. Please go straight, then turn left. Thank you. You're welcome. Please place your bag in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. All right, I'll put it overhead. Inside the plane. Excuse me, is this seat 18B?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm 18A. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm a little nervous. This is my first international flight.
Oh, don't worry. Flying is safe and comfortable.
Thanks. That makes me feel better.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts. We are ready for takeoff.
Here we go. During the flight.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, some water, please.
Here you go. Would you like tea or coffee later?
Tea would be nice. Thank you.
And for your meal, would you prefer chicken or vegetarian?
Chicken, please.
Here's your meal. Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Landing.
Dear passengers, we are now landing at London Heathrow Airport. Please fasten your seatbelts.
Finally, we are here.
Yes, I'm happy too.
After landing, immigration.
Passport, please.
Here you go.
How long will you stay in London?
10 days.
Where will you stay?
In a hotel near the city center.
Do you have enough funds for your trip?
Yes, I have a credit card and some cash.
Okay, enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Baggage claim. Excuse me, where is the baggage claim area?
Just follow the signs. It's on the right side, after customs.
Thank you. Ah, there's my suitcase. Good, it's safe. Meeting a friend.
Hey, welcome. How was your flight?
It was good. A little long but comfortable.
Did you have any trouble at the airport?
No, everything went smoothly.
That's great. Are you tired?
A little, but I'm excited to see the city.
Wonderful. Let's go home first, then we'll plan tomorrow.
Yes, let's go.
Hit the subscribe button.